Hello and welcome to AudioCodes Training Academy. This video tutorial demonstrates how to configure IP networking parameters on the AudioCodes Mediant family of session border controllers, SBCs. The default IP address for these devices is 192.168.0.2. The default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. This means a prefix length of 24. The default gateway's IP address of 192.168.0.1. To change the default IP networking parameters on your device using the web-based management tool, follow these steps. Connect a straight-through Ethernet cable from the leftmost LAN port on the front panel of the device directly to your computer's network interface. Change the IP address and subnet mask on your computer to correspond with the default IP address and subnet mask of the device. On your computer, open a web browser and enter the device's default IP address, 192.168.0.2, in the address bar. The web interface login screen will appear. Enter the case-sensitive default login username admin with the capital A and password admin with the capital A. Click Login. To access the IP interfaces table, navigate to Setup. Then select the IP network option. The network view will appear. In the navigation tree on the left, under Core Entities, select IP interfaces. Select the row corresponding to the default IP address. Click Edit. Change the IP address, subnet mask, using prefix length notation, and gateway to match your network configuration. For example, IP address 10.15.80.1, prefix length 16, and gateway 10.15.0.1. Click Apply. You will lose connectivity because the device's IP address has changed. Reconfigure your computer's IP address to match the new network settings. In your web browser, enter the device's new IP address in the address bar. The web interface web login screen appears. Enter the same credentials as before. Once logged in, click Save to permanently save the settings to the device's flash memory. That's it. Thank you for watching.